In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Java JDK 23 on your Windows 11 PC. So first of all, you just need to go to your browser. Now here you need to search for Oracle Java. Search for Oracle Java, then go to this oracle.com option, Java software. And after come to this official website of Oracle Java, you can see there's an option called Download Java. Click on Download Java. I just need to go down, and here you'll find for the Linux, Mac OS, or the Windows. We're going to download the Windows here, and then you need to choose the x64 installer, which is the exe file for your PC. So just click on this link, download Oracle Java 23, which is the latest version. And now as you can see, it will start to download, which is only 205 MB. So you just need to wait for some minutes. Now after completing the download option, just go to the folder. Click on this JDK exe file, double click on it. Yes. Now here's the Java installation wizard. So you just need to click on next. Then this is the location where your Java will install. For me, it will install in the C program files. So click on next. And now it will start to install in my PC. Now Java Development Kit 23 is now successfully installed on my PC. So just click on close. Now what you have to do is just copy the path and edit the path to successfully install the Java to run on your PC. So just go to your this PC option, then go to the program files, go to the C folder, click on program files. As I install the program files, the Java here, click on Java, JDK 23. Now go to the bin, and now here you need to copy this path. So just click on it and copy it from your keyboard, Ctrl+C, copy it. Then go to the search bar and search for environment variables. And if you search for environment variables, you'll find the option called edit the system environment variables. Click on to open. Then go to the environment variables option. And under the system variables here, you'll find the option called path. Click on this. Click on edit. Then you need to click on new option and paste the path that we just copied from the Java file and click on OK. Click on OK again. OK. Now to verify the installation, just go to the search bar again, type cmd here, run the command prompt. Now we're going to type here Java space dash version, type version. Now press enter. Now as you can see, I have successfully installed the Java version 23.0.1, which is the latest version of the Java. So that's it guys. This is how you can download and install the Java JDK in your Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.